Hi, this is Jason at Sports Zone Toys and Comics, and today we're going to open up this all-new Topps Update Super Box. So this is a super box from Topps. This is for the Update series. They also had it for Series 1 and 2. It's a pretty cool thing. You have an exclusive pack in here. We can zoom in and show you. You're going to receive 10 14 card packs. So these, by the way, are on SportsZoneToysComics.com. We're going to look for short printed oversized cards. They're one in every 5 boxes. And you can see the 14 packs. We have one exclusive silver border pack. We have an exclusive pin. And then, of course, the packs. Topps Update, and this is going to be the Paul Skeens rookie cards we are going to search for in this. Quite the stuff here. So check this out. Grab all the packs here. I hope you're enjoying the video too, so remember to give us a thumbs up and a like, subscribe to the channel, and watch for giveaways that we're going to do. So let's just unveil, since this is flying out of the box, we got a Jackson Merrill rookie oversized card. There you go. We also got this card that flew out with it, Jung Ho Lee. That is a rookie. So there's that. Let's get into the packs. Go Paul Skeens hunting. There's a lot of good rookies this year. So we'll do like we always do. Put the inserts up top, our rookies, and our base cards to the side here. Any foils or anything, we'll make sure to show you those. Lots of rookies. Tons. Oh, look at that. Julio Rodriguez, Topps Black Gold. So 2 insert subsets in that pack. Oh, here comes another one. It's a good one. Oh, wait. There we go. Get 2 different piles here. Try to keep these straight. Victor Scott, the third rookie. A lot of call-ups at the end of the year. Update's always a good product. Royce Lewis, Stars of the MLB. Oh, there's our first 1989 Topps 35th anniversary. Bryson Stott. Trey Turner. Oh, there's a foil. So base card foil, blue. Randy Rodriguez. Wyatt Langford rookie. That's a good one. Oh, this one doesn't have all our rookies at the beginning there. Lots to open in the super box. Extreme value. If you do order one, we will get that shipped out right away for you. If you want to spend some time tonight not watching Monday Night Football, you're a baseball guy, just go to our breaks page and you can watch like 800 breaks. Always breaking. Thank you for all of you that watch the breaks. There's a Win rookie. That's it in that one. That Volpe. There we go. Jackson Chourio, Stars of the MLB rookie. Might be sending that to PSA. Check that out. Bill Mazeroski. There's another subset. All right, there it is. Elly De La Cruz rookie. That's PSA ready. All right. And the Jackson Chourio. Cool. You can, it does say to look for autographs. You saw that autographs on the back of the box. So maybe we'll get lucky and pull something cool here. out of this super box. Colton Cowser. That's nice. Stars of the MLB. Ooh, look, we got a chrome one. So there's our first Stars of the MLB in Topps Chrome. Michael Taylor. Victor Scott III. They do have several different rookie pictures and stuff. We got to look for short prints then. Jackson Merrill. There's what, NL Rookie of the Year. Phenomenal year. Did we have another one of them? I was thinking. I like to pull those good rookies so you guys can see what all comes out of there. Maybe not. Maybe I was seeing things. Okay, I was seeing things. Lots of good rookies to pull. Curtis Mead, first one. Pete Alonso. Nolan Ryan, subset. Another subset. Ooh, a blue, and it's a different parallel. So there's two different blue parallels. I know you're going to ask, were they numbered? And I don't. That one is not. Oh, yep, $9.99 on the blue foil. So. Whoa, this is a short print, and this is cool. Paw Patrol Rubble with Aaron Judge. And it's cartoon version. PP Paw Patrol, #2. Huh. I honestly, we're just opening. That's the first Paw Patrol one. I'll have to check and see how short they are. That's cool. Bet the kids love that. You may have kids that do like that. There's Tyler Black. Anthony Rizzo. Sosa foil. Non-numbered parallel. Boy, but parallels are... Now they're popping out of these packs. Couple rookies. Brett Harris rookie. Myers rookie. 2 packs to go of the regular Topps. Like I said, we got quite a few. There's a big star for sure. Juan Soto, the Yankees. Ooh, a Ken Griffey Jr. 35th anniversary. That's cool. The kid. As a kid, loved Griffey. Still like Griffey. He's a great player. Mason Black rookie on the Giants. Our last pack of the regulars. Another Stars of the MLB rookie. Juan Soto. Christian Scott rookie. Tons of rookies. Definitely did not disappoint on those. All right, so what do we got here? We have inclusive 1 of 10 pin. All right. Well, maybe just, oh, it's like in a Ziploc here. All right. There it is. Cubs. Just giving the camera trouble. There we go. All right, so you saw it. Put that as a bonus gift for somebody. And then this is the 5 silver patterned foil board cards. All right, this is where we need the good rookie. Oh boy, and we got it. Oh, look at that. The Jackson Merrill. That is going to PSA. I'm so happy to be able to show you that. Special foil one. Another rookie. Oh, cool. Look at that. We got Wyatt Langford as well. Nice. Well, the foil pack did not disappoint. 2 good rookies. And then, of course, the Jackson Merrill Jumbo. So it was a Jackson Merrill of a good time. Unfortunately, no Paul Skeens. I was hoping to show you, but we got skunked on that, but pretty good box. If you would like one, go to sportszonetoyscomics.com. We will ship you one out. I want to thank you so much for watching. This was a fun break. They're like a $50 box, so it's nothing crazy, and a lot of good cards. Thank you so much for watching, and have a nice day.